I don't know about you, but I'm not one of those people who puts their slow cooker away for the summer. As a matter of fact, I tend to use it even more since it keeps my kitchen nice and cool. So today, I thought I'd show you how to make one of my new summertime favorites that's low in carbs and goes together like this. We start by searing a couple pork tenderloins until they're nice and brown on all sides. Then we put them in a slow cooker and top them with some thinly sliced onions, root beer, and a good amount of barbecue sauce. The secret that makes it so flavorful, it's the combo of the root beer with the barbecue sauce. And if we're watching our carbs and calories, we can always use a diet root beer. After they cook for most of the day, we shred the tender as can be pork with a couple of forks until it mixes with the sauce. Then we can eat it on a roll, or for a diabetic-friendly and lower carb option, maybe serve it on some Bibb lettuce along with some shredded carrots, scallions, and coleslaw. And when you roll it up and take your first bite, get ready for some good eating. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our down-home shredded pork. This way you'll have one of my summertime favorites whenever you need it. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a low and slow way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.